Hello, people. I'm Evan Windt again, and I'm going to show you how to record your screen. So, first you can go to Safari or Google or whatever you have. And then you type in screencast-o-matic.com. Then wait. Then then there'll be like a lot. Then there'll be a log, like it'll say log in right here. Then you press that, then you put your email and your password, and then you put which person you're doing it for, and then it'll say start recorder, then it'll say cancel or allow, and then you'll press allow. Then once that happens, down here there'll be a little thing, and it'll say a recording button here. Then you'll press that, then your video will start recording. Then once you're done with the video, you're gonna press this again, and that's basically what you do to to record your screen. So yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it works for you. So try that,